Hey, geometry, we are going to run through some perimeter problems. Remember, perimeter is the distance around the outside of the figure. So if we look at this first figure, we have 6 sides. We have 8, 4, missing, 2, and 7. We want to find the 2 missing side lengths. So the first thing that we can do is we can highlight this whole side here is 8. All right, and I know that these 2 side lengths on the right have to add up to 8. This length here and those two have to add up to this 8 right here. So this right here would have to be 6. All right, the other side that we're missing, I'm going to highlight that in blue. We're missing this side length right here. So now I'm going to highlight the bottom side. All the way across is 7. These 2 sides, the 4 up here and this 2, these 2 have to add up to 7. So this one right here has to be 3. All right? And that gives us our 6 sides. All right, so we have 6 sides. So we have 8 plus 4 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 7. So that is going to give us, of course, a perimeter of 30 units. Okay, the next problem is a little bit trickier, but we're still missing 2 side lengths. I'm going to highlight the first missing one in red. We are missing this piece right here. So I can highlight the entire bottom side is 28. All right, so these 3 sides on the top, this 15, this 10, and our missing side length right here, these 3 side lengths must add up to 28. So that's going to give us a 15 and a 10 is 25. This piece has to be a 3. So now we have 3 right here. All right, the other missing side length is right here, kind of this left piece. I'm going to highlight it in blue right here. All right, so now what we have to do is we have to look at the 20 right here. Okay, these 2 side lengths here have to add up to this 4 and this 21. So from the top all the way down to the bottom, if I add up the 21 and the 4, this whole length has to be 25. So right here, this 20 and this missing piece have to add up to 25. So this piece right here has to be 5. Okay, so now we have 8 sides to add up for our perimeter. So I'm going to start right here with the 20, and I'm going to go all the way around. We have 20 plus 15 plus 5 plus 10 plus 4 plus 3 plus 21 plus, I'm going to squeeze it in, plus 28. Alrighty, and that I think is going to give us a perimeter of 106 units. Okay, the perimeter for this trapezoid problem right here, we are not missing any pieces. So if I highlight all the way around, I'm just going to add up 13 plus 22 plus 13, all the way across the bottom, plus 7 plus 22 plus 7. All right, these heights, this 11 and this 11, are not part of the perimeter. All right, and finally, this last problem, if I highlight all the way around the outside of the figure, I need this piece right here, and this piece is the same as this. So this has to be 6. So I need the 6, I need the 33, I need this 33, I need this 21, I need this 6, and I need 35 all the way across. All right, so those are my perimeter sides. I don't need the 32, that is not around the outside, and I don't need this distance here, all the way around the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 side lengths. All right, there's perimeter. Good luck, geometry.